Wow, this is so freaking cute. Y'all, I love this wig. Baby, what you want tonight? What you got to try? Baby, what you want tonight? What you... What's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys, okay, how to go from this to this baby, okay? And I literally filmed this tutorial in 10 minutes with like 2 or 3 steps, y'all. Super quick, super convenient, super easy, and it looks super natural, okay? It looks so good, looks so natural. If you guys don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor if you're an OG subscriber. Hey girl, hey, what's up? How you been, girl? Hey, you see me, I see you, girl. We here. And if you are new here, I hope you guys do subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I am a hairstylist, so I do a lot of hair content, and I also do hair content on myself. So if you guys are interested in that type of videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, we do give hugs around here, okay? I believe in hugs. I believe in getting acquainted. If y'all are interested in the same thing, then join the fam. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug so we can get acquainted. And we're gonna jump into this video. If you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial on a UPART wig. It is a kinky curly UPART wig. So my hair, I have kinky curly hair, more so like 3C type. However, my hair was like in 2 braids, so it's not in like a kinky curly type of look. So I'm going to figure out how to get my hair to either match this texture or to get this texture to match my hair. Whichever is easiest, I see that I'm gonna do. So yeah, so this wig is from Myfirstwig. It's a UPART wig. All the details of the hair will be in the description box below. I can just thug it out with my hair like this. Hopefully we can do that. And the same for you guys' hair. If you're using your hair in a natural state, if you are able to just press some gel, which I'm pretty sure that's what you can do, press some gel and some type of leave-in conditioner and comb it real good, and make sure, you know, the edges and and make sure your roots are flat, and you'll probably be able to brush it into the hair and nobody will ever be able to notice, and just lay your edges. You should be okay. Yeah, so it comes with like a elastic strap to make it glueless, even though it's gonna be glueless anyway because it's a UPART wig, but I guess it just provides some security for it. And it comes with the combs on the side and the front. That way you can lay a UPART wig on the edges, which I'm so happy for that because I've had a few UPART wigs and they have combs on the side of the part, but they're not in the very front, which does not make any sense, y'all. And it's pretty good. It's pretty structured well. It has a comb at the back, so that way, you know, you can just kind of lay the wig, and this is how it's structured inside. Okie dokie, so let's get it started. I'm thinking just to put it in the middle because my hair is already parted in the middle. It does got a little bit of gel on it, but we should be good. Just a little slither. Okay, here we go. So I hope that is enough. Now you can choose to put a cap on the other part of your hair just to lay the hair down. I'm just going to take some space out with my edges And honestly, you guys, y'all can do the same exact thing. Like, no matter what texture your hair is, you should be able to prep it the same way. Like, if you put gel and something on your hair, like put gel on your edges and then tie your hair in like 2 plaits and, you know, wet your hair. Make sure your hair is wet. It doesn't have to be soaked down. And then apply that gel and then tie a scarf around your edges tight and like let it sleep overnight. Let it, like, you know, do what it do overnight. Y'all should be able to do the exact same thing. You should have laid edges, honestly. I think some people make, you know, doing their natural hair so much more difficult than what it really is. And no, I'm not saying that because of my texture of my hair, because I'm a hairstylist. So I work with so many different textures of hair. I think a lot of people just tend to, like, I don't know, think it's harder than what it is, or maybe don't want to take the time out. Now, if you're braiding your hair, make sure you always put something on the ends. I'm going to put some type of oil on the ends. Well, I'm going to put some hair and scalp conditioner by Sophie on my ends, just to make sure my ends are not dry, y'all. This is very, very important for retaining length. You don't want to just be ripping through your dry hair. I do sometimes, though, don't get me wrong. I'm not perfect myself, but I try to make sure that my ends stay moisturized, if nothing else. You know, that's the oldest part of your hair, so. And this is the same product I use on my client before, like, I do braids, because like I said, it just like moisturizes the hair. Okay, so now that that is good, I am going to apply this wig. Okay, so I'm going to put a cap on, only because my hair is pretty long and it gets in the way a lot. So I'm just gonna flip my braids on the opposite sides of each other and just kind of, you know, just kind of do that. You're gonna have to slide it back though, and just to kind of contain my hair. That step is optional, y'all. So now I am going to put this wig on. This is the spot that you're gonna want to cut. Okay, here we go. So now you have this part, this section where it's going to be the part. Then you're going to fold this band back over. And yeah, so this is how it looks now. It looks pretty good. And this is how the hair looks. All right, let's go. Apply this band first. Flip this over, and then just go where I'm going to put the wig. Now, if you want it super secure, you can braid your hair down like a little braid around the center, around the rim. If you want to wear your wig, if you want it to feel more secure. You have the combs on the side too. You are in the game, y'all. Now, with my UPART wig, especially if I'm going to wear them, sometimes I do sew additional combs just to feel more secure. That is how it is. It already looks really good, y'all. You either have one or two options. You can pull some more hair out right here, or you can leave it like that. If you want to feel more secure, you can use bobby pins in addition to the clips. Make you feel more secure. So I'm going to bobby pin this clip in place, y'all. Like right here, and slide it on. So now it feels way, way, way more secure. That's it, y'all. Super, super simple. Now this feels very, very secure. If you want to just keep going, you can. No one's gonna see it. It's curly hair. It's perfect for no heat. Yes, this is not going anywhere. So now that that is done, I have this piece right here that I need to blend. So this is how it basically looks. So those with kinkier textures like 4A, 4B, 4C even, this is the mousse that I'm using. You can literally rock this because it's almost like fro. And this is literally popping everything out the box, y'all. Like popping everything out the box. Okay? So I'm literally just putting the mousse on the ends and scrunching. Okay? Scrunching, y'all. Perfect, y'all. Perfect. Look at this. Wig wear, sis. Wig wear. It basically blended out. You guys can barely tell the difference. And I am 3C curl pattern. Now the front of my hair is a little looser, but for the most part, it turned out so good. So freaking cute. Yes. But the fact that I don't have to do anything to it and I get the fullness that I want, because you guys know my hair is like more on the finer side, and I have to wait days and days and days after wash day to make my hair look full and to make my hair look voluptuous like that. And I get that on day one hair. Like, this is so freaking cute. You still get the natural look without having to wait days and days and days after wash day, so it can start frizzing up and start looking big and voluptuous. Like, I freaking love it. So freaking cute, you guys. Like, yes, baby. Huh? Wow, this is so freaking cute. Y'all, I love this wig. The hair is so soft. As you guys can see, I didn't do anything to my hair. Without having to sew, okay? Without no glue, okay? So freaking convenient, y'all. I applied this wig in literally, what, like 10 minutes? Like, this is something you guys can do every day. It's the perfect everyday wig. And also, your edges are left out, so you don't have to feel insecure about lace showing, having to blend any lace or anything, you guys. It is so freaking cute, y'all. And y'all see how much hair I left out. I left out 2 fingers, y'all. I left out 2 fingers of hair. That's how I always do when I don't want a lot to leave out. If you guys are interested in this wig, the link to this wig will be in the description box below, okay? Guys, here's another up close look on this wig. This looks like my hair, y'all. All right, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, but like I said, the link of this wig will be in the description box below, and I do have a coupon code if you guys would like some coins off, okay? So let's get into it. Like, let's get into the natural look, baby. Hello. Let's get into this natural look, okay? All right, guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Love y'all. Mwah.